Including your toddler in making meals and snacks comes with many benefits. Working side by side enables you to teach them about healthy nutrition. Studies show that children are more likely to eat what they helped make. Being your helper also boosts their self-esteem by feeling useful and accomplished. You can also use kitchen time as a way for them to learn about proper hygiene and food safety, such as washing their hands, how to clean and sanitize countertops and utensils, and why it's important to know the difference between raw and cooked foods. But most importantly, cooking with your toddler strengthens the important parent-child bond, which is the foundation for a child's emotional, social, and personal development. For more information about our free Parents as Teachers program, give us a call or send us an email, and a certified home visitor will get back to you as soon as possible.